Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank your YouTube videos fast. Oh, and I added a slide. I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to show you what you can do in under an hour that will have videos that you make today making you money for years and years to come. I'm also going to show you a method for getting 1 million subscribers that you can get your hands on for free. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'll try and keep it as brief as I can to get you the message across. And before I dive into all of that, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Just click the link below and click that little bell icon as well so that you get notified when I upload a new video, and you can get these very useful, hopefully very useful tips and marketing ideas notified to you straight away. So let's dive right in to YouTube. Okay, well, I've actually come over, as you can see, to Google first, because what I've done here is I've typed in a phrase, how to make money from coaching. Now you can see over here this little American flag symbol here. That's being generated by a Chrome extension called Surfer, keyword Surfer. You can see it here, and also powered by Surfer here. And also I have another one called Keywords Everywhere, which you can see is doing this work here and producing these results. And it's also telling me this statistic under here, these little numbers, these little metrics here, volume 0%, 0 per month, and so on. Okay, and that's telling me that that has 0 searches per month. Now the reason why would I go after a keyword that has 0 searches per month? Well, because I'm very interested in very low volume keywords as long as I can establish that they have a following on YouTube. So if I hop over to YouTube, I think I'm going to the right tab. There we are. How to make money from coaching. Now, this video I'm going to talk to you about in a minute because it's mine. But we can see just by, if I can scroll, so how I get coaching clients that pay me over $1,000 a month. Trey Cockram, he's had 4,000 views in a year there. I mean, these are, I've seen videos that are keywords that have many, many times more views than that, but nevertheless, that's very, very healthy, isn't it? 3,000, let's call that 4,000 a year. So that's 300, 400 a month, something like that. That's getting reasonable traffic. Here's another one, 3.2 thousand a year. Now, it's not exactly my keyword, but I know that people are searching for this, right? How to start a life coaching business from home is a bit different. She had 17,000 views. This lady's had 39,000 views. Quickest way to make money as a life coach in 3 years. So 12,000 or so, more than 12,000, 13,000 roughly a year on average. So it's 1,000, more than 1,000 views a month on average. Okay, so I'm satisfied that people are searching for terms related to this. Now, it's not the only term I'm going after, but I decided that I'm going to call my video that. And as you can see, that's my video, and it's now ranking #1 for that term. Now, that's really important when you've got a very new channel. This channel I've put it on is not very old, and that got quite a lot. It's only, in fact, that video's only been there 4 days. That's right, as I record this. It's had 74 views, as you can see. It increased my subscribers by, I think, 54, which is phenomenal. Very, very happy with that. And you can see this is another Chrome extension, vidIQ, which you should definitely, well, there's a paid version, but you don't need it. And it will, there's a little button you can press, and it will show you all the tags for every video. Well, not every video, but the first 3 or 4. Right, so if we have a look here, so this is inside, or actually on that video itself. So if we scroll down here, and I'll show you what vidIQ tells me. So it tells me how to make money from coaching. I am currently #1 for that term. I'm #5 for the term how to make money as a life coach for the same video, right? So that is quite impressive. Now, the way that those that the traffic is coming is because people are doing related searches, and now YouTube, which is also Google, by the way, in case you didn't know, YouTube is owned by Google, but YouTube is its algorithm is saying, oh, this is now becoming an important video and channel. Now, the reason for that is because what you have to think is YouTube, if you've got a new channel and you haven't got many videos in the game, they're not going to choose to show your videos when they can choose to show videos that are that are going to make them a lot of advertising revenue. Basically, it's a business, right? So it's not YouTube screwing me over or they're unfair. It's a business. Get over it. So they're going to show the ones from authority channels that will have high monetization, unless you can show high relevancy. So when I'm looking for, this is a new channel, it's not been around very long, I've only had it a few months. I have another channel which has many more subscribers and completely different market, but that's different ball game. But this one needs some love. Okay, so how to make money from coaching, it had, according to Keywords Everywhere, and that Google search term has 0 searches per month, but I can see that there are related terms that are people are going to search for, and so it in 4 days got to #1 for that term. Is it going to get me loads of traffic and money? No, probably not, although over time it will. But it means that next time I put a video on this channel and upload it, YouTube will take more notice, and gradually then you can build up to more to harder to rank for keywords. Okay, you'll also notice that I got into the rankings of the top 5. I'd like to be in the top 3, but the top 5, how to make money as a life coach, simply by including it in my tags and in my description. I don't think I put it in the title. Oh yes, make money as a life coach, even if you're new. So make money as a life coach is in the title as well. So I had double keywords in the title, and it's ranking. Okay. Now, I did mention to you 2 things. I said, one is I'm going to tell you about how to make your channel rank. And so what I want you to do, that there is only one person who knows, in my view, all that you're ever likely to need to know about video marketing, YouTube marketing, and that's a guy called Adam Payne. That's this fella, right? He's a Brit like me, but he doesn't live here, he lives in Japan. And if you have not heard of him, that's fine. He's not somebody who particularly trumpets his being around. He doesn't go around brashly saying, hey, I'm here. Those who know him well, and he is a very good marketer and teacher of marketing. And what he's doing as I record this, now I don't know when you're going to watch this, obviously, but as I record this, he's releasing a program. It's not out yet as I record it, but called YouTube Channel Mastery Reloaded. And it's called Reloaded because it's updated. Okay, now I have this program already, and it's video based, mostly video based. There's some PDFs with it. It is phenomenal. Now, the reason that you need to know what to do with a channel is because you can't just throw videos up onto YouTube any old how. You need to know where they are, because and what they're doing. There is a way of optimizing channels. It will take you, as Adam says, and Adam doesn't exaggerate, 60 minutes to implement this, and that can give you free ongoing traffic and sales for months and years into the future. That hour's worth of work. And the reason I'm telling you this is because most people won't even know that this is on the market, right? Adam is not making a big deal of it, but it will only be on the market at the price anyway for a few days. I don't know if he's going to take it away completely, but he's releasing it at a very low price. He doesn't release stuff to the general public very often. So there'll be a link in the description below this video if you're watching on YouTube, where you should go and at least take a look at this sales page. Click that link, take take a look. And yes, if you do buy it through the link that's there, I will get a commission. But I recommend that you seriously look at it, and the upsell, which is even cheaper than the main thing. The upsell, you don't need to be able to do what he's telling you here, but trust me, for the one-time investment that you'll make in both of them, it's really, really worth it. Now, I did promise that I would tell you how to get 1 million subscribers to your channel, which for free. And I have a little gift for you for anyone who buys Adam's YouTube Mastery channel Mastery Reloaded through my link below. You will automatically get that little 6-video series, and there are some very unorthodox ways. Now, I'm going to say getting tons and tons of subscribers in its own right, and Adam will tell you this himself inside the program. That's what's called a vanity metric. It means diddly squat, just having a lot of subscribers, so what, who cares? But the reason that it can be really, really useful is, imagine if you had 1 million. I mean, gosh, there are people with many millions of subscribers, but even if you had 100,000, 10% of that, when you put up a video, those subscribers get a notification. Now, if you've got even 100,000 subscribers and you're driving, putting a video up to drive traffic, an offer, for example, that 100,000, so let's say 100,000 of them get notified. Let's say 90% of them are not interested, but 10% are interested, which means 10,000 people, that's out of 100,000, 10,000 people would go and view the video. Out of the 10,000, even if 1% were interested in your offer, they would click through. That's 100 people. And if 10% of them wanted it, you'd make 10 sales just by posting a video. So I don't know, if you were posting something that cost $50, you'd make $500 just from doing that. Now, if you multiply that by 10 again, so you've got 1 million, now you're looking at a $5,000 income from one video. So the numbers themselves mean nothing. Obviously, you've got to put up quality videos and set up your channel correctly, as Adam will show you inside this program. But there is a strategy, a step-by-step strategy. It goes through how to start with 100, then 1,000, takes you through 6 steps, and some very unorthodox ways of, all legal and above board, but some interesting ways of getting many, many subscribers pretty quickly to your channel. So that's free through my link when you buy this through the link that's below. So go and look at this, and in the meantime, if your channel is new or relatively new, to get ranked, go for those little micro keywords. Check them out with Keywords Everywhere and Surfer. Those are free. Or Keywords Everywhere, I think you have to pay $10 to get like 100,000 credits or something now, but it'll last you like years. And then check it on YouTube as well. So there you go. Hope that's been helpful. That's how to rank your YouTube videos very fast, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.